Today we would like to show you the procedure for installing a flanged smart valve. In this case, we will be installing a 6-inch into a major hotel in California. The first step is to identify the best location for the installation. The smart valve is installed on the customer side of the water meter. If there is a backflow preventer in use, it should be installed downstream of it as well, and before any splits in the pipe or any other devices that will allow the back pressure created by the smart valve to travel back to the water meter, such as pressure reducers, regulators, booster pumps, tanks, or water heaters, for example. Once the install location has been selected, the pipe is prepared for the smart valve. In this case, the plumber is using an adjustable flange on one side to make fitting the valve to the gap easier. However, a fixed flange can also be used if desired. All smart valve flanges have a standard bolt pattern. Depending on the valve size, some flange holes are through holes, in which case you will use standard bolts, and some sizes have threaded bolt holes, in which case matching threaded bolts will be provided with your smart valve. Once the smart valve has been securely bolted, it is time to slowly turn on the water, vent any excess air out of the system, and check to be sure there are no leaks. Your smart valve is now installed and ready to be calibrated.